Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust or fix checkboxes height and width using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. And see this checkbox, and I will adjust all of the checkboxes height and width. Now select from option. Now click on this select field option and select these two of this and put your mouse cursor on of them and press right button for your mouse cursor and select here size, and here you can adjust height. See this height now adjusted, and again select here size, width also adjusted, and now align, and see this two check boxes now same size. And also I'll make this one and this one height, and see this height adjusted, and similar way white adjusted, and select all of this, align horizontal, and see this all of the check boxes now adjusted. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.